Beautiful in Irish, the names of the birds. Joseph O'Connor. Nach áling iad, anamnacha na inain I Gaeilge. Cruadine, the kingfisher. Drolene, the wren. Words of mellifluous music and colour. The blackbird, an lone dove. The eagle, an uller. Gavlon Albach, the alpine swift. Rí Rua, the chaffinch. Druid, the starling. The night heron, Cor Iha. The kestrel, Puchar Aguiha. The golden plover, Fadog Bui. The cream-coloured courser, Rossi Bon Bui. Word hoard. Our perch down all the long centuries, when nouns and song and air were soared with, we glided our syllables like children trading streamers. Spidog, the robin. Spirog, the sparrowhawk. Buiog, the yellowhammer. Fuishog, the skylark. And vowels were a flock of high-flown delights, saying, rise up your song, aspire to the heights.